Do you know the 3 ways that Americans use the phrasal verb keep up in English? Make sure to stay until the end. I will walk you through all 3 of them. Let's go. Keep up meaning number 1, to stay at the same speed or level. Imagine you're walking with a friend who walks very fast. You're trying to stay next to them, but they keep getting ahead of you. You say, "Slow down, I can't keep up." In this situation, keep up means to stay at the same speed or to stay at the same level as someone else. Some examples are, "I can't keep up with him," or "try to keep up with the group." "The kids ran so fast their parents couldn't keep up." "She walks too fast for me to keep up." This same meaning also applies to information. "It's hard to keep up with technology," or "I try to keep up with the news." "She can't keep up with her homework." "The students couldn't keep up with the lecture." Here, the idea is the same, staying at the same pace or level. Keep up meaning number 2, to continue doing something successfully. Now imagine a student who studies English every day and improves a lot. The teacher says, "Great job, keep up the good work." In this situation, keep up means to continue doing something well or to continue the progress you've started. Some other examples are, "Keep up the great work," or "She's doing great, keep it up." "If you keep this up, you'll succeed." Keep up the progress. This meaning is very positive and encouraging. Keep up meaning number 3, to maintain something or manage ongoing activity. Imagine a restaurant becomes extremely popular. Customers keep coming in all day. The manager says, "We can barely keep up with the orders." In this situation, keep up means to maintain something or to manage something that keeps happening. Some other examples are, "The company can't keep up with the demand," or "We're trying to keep up with customer orders." "The hospital struggled to keep up with patients." "It's hard to keep up with all the emails." This meaning also includes maintaining habits or routines. For example, it's hard to keep up a healthy routine. She's trying to keep up her exercise habits. You need to keep up your English practice. He struggled to keep up the pace. Here, the idea is continuing something at the same level. Here's a quick note about the structure that you want to follow. We're going to say keep up with, and then either have a person or a thing. For example, "I can't keep up with him," or "It's hard to keep up with technology." "We can't keep up with demand." Now, let's work on the pronunciation. Repeat after me. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up with. Keep up with. Keep up with. For more help with phrasal verbs in English, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist.